about one moment, the moment before it all becomes clear, and in that one moment, you start to believe there's nothing to fear. It's about 1 second, and just when you're on the verge of success, the sky starts to change, and the wind starts to blow, and you're suddenly a stranger. There's no explaining where you stand, and you didn't know that you sometimes have to go from an unexpected bend, and the road will end in a new world.
World calls for me to follow. A new world waits for my reply. A new world holds me to a promise. Standing by, standing by. It's about one moment. That moment you think you know where you stand, and that one moment, the things that you're sure of slip from your hand, and you've got 1 second to try to be clear, to try to stand tall, but nothing's the same, and the wind starts to blow. And oh, you're suddenly a stranger in some completely different land, and you thought you knew that you didn't have a clue that the surface sometimes cracks to reveal the tracks to a new world. You have a job on the coast.
What love are you sure you believe in?
You've got a pull in the
You've
back.
got a part of the night.
But then the earthquake hits.
Then the bank closes in.
Then you realize you didn't know anything.
Nobody told you the best way to steer when the wind starts to blow.
Suddenly a stranger.
All of a sudden, your life is different than you planned.
And you have to stay till you somehow find a way to be sure of what comes next.
And you might be free.
World crashes down like thunder. A new world charging through the air. A new world just beyond the mountains. Waiting there, waiting there. A new world shattering the silence. There's a new world I'm afraid to see. A new world where every moment come to me, come to me. A new